How long does it take to manufacture a heavy truck? At the Sany Zhilian heavy truck super factory in Changsha, Hunan, a heavy truck rolls off the production line every 4分钟 use. The factory covers an area of 5000 米 which is the size of 31 football fields, which is equivalent to the area of Bafu Vatican City. The super factory has invested more than 22 billion yuan, and an average of 150 and up to 300 trucks roll off the assembly line here every day. Today we will take a look at how awesome this factory is. The Noi Super Factory building of Sany Heavy Truck is one of the most advanced heavy truck super factories in the world. The factory is equipped with the first fully automated production line for heavy trucks in China, which can work 24 hours a day without making mistakes. It includes 4 super 3-dimensional storage warehouses, more than 700 AGVs, and 24 intelligent robotic arms. Most of the steps do not require manual operation at all. The core components such as the chassis, cab, and engine of the truck have been independently produced and assembled here. The first step in manufacturing Sany heavy trucks is to shape the front of the truck. A 7,000-ton automatic synchronous continuous stamping production line is used. Before the blank is stamped, a layer of drawing oil needs to be evenly applied to the surface to avoid quality defects such as roughening of the stamped parts, and then the mechanical arm is accurately inserted into the mold. After the stamping signal, return to wait for material suction according to a specific trajectory, where pieces of material are molded into various shapes. The annual output of the workshop can reach 2.5 million strokes at full load, and the whole error is controlled within 0.2 毫米, so as to ensure accurate size and surface quality. The emergence of Sany Zhilian Super Factory has brought a sharp contrast between the complicated human labor in traditional factories and today's highly integrated intelligent processing, the intelligent linkage of the production line. Another Chinese speed interprets the Chinese business card.